Welcome to CodeDroid. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to download and set up the Java JDK on your system. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be ready to start coding in Java. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Oracle JDK download page. You can do this by searching Java JDK download on Google or visiting oracle.com. Scroll down to find the latest JDK version. Choose the appropriate version for your operating system: Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Click on the download link. Make sure to accept the license agreement before downloading. Once done, the download will begin. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. Click Install to begin. The installation process may take a few minutes. Once it's done, click Finish to complete the setup. Now follow the on-screen steps. To copy path for Java setup, first open your drive, where you install Java, and open folder, namely, Program File, find and open Java folder, open JRE folder, and bin folder, copy path as shown on screen. Now, let's set up the Java environment variables. Go to the Start menu, search for Environment Variables, and open Edit the System Environment Variables. In the System Properties window, click on Environment Variables. Under System Variables, find Path and click Edit. Add the bin directory path of your JDK installation. Also, create a new variable named Java_home and set its value to the JDK installation path. Click OK to save. To check if Java is successfully installed, open Command Prompt and type Java version. You should see the installed Java version. Also, type Java version to verify the Java compiler. If both commands work correctly, you have successfully installed and configured Java JDK. Congratulations! You have successfully downloaded, installed, and configured Java JDK on your system. Now you're ready to start coding in Java. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to CodeDroid for more tutorials. See you in the next video.